Welcome back to Pace Immigration, paceimmigration.com, joined once again by immigration lawyer extraordinaire Andy Semichuk. Today, Andy, we're going to cover U.S. immigration reform and processing times. I hope people have had a cup of coffee. It's not the most exciting topic in the world, but it is U.S. immigration reform, so it's probably pretty interesting. So go ahead.
Okay. People probably know generally that the Senate has approved the so-called Comprehensive Immigration Reform Package, and now they're waiting for the House of Representatives to approve that side, that bill, so that it can go to the president for signature. And indications are that it seems to be popular and that it may very well pass.
Now, this is dealing with, the 11 million illegal immigrants in the country and whether or not there's going to be a path to citizenship, this kind of thing. Okay.
Yes. Now, the challenge we have with respect to processing and why this is so exciting is that imagine you're going to have 11 million people applying next year, when this thing is passed, for paperwork. And let's say you have an application that you'd like to get in there. How do you not get lost in a sea of applications? And there's another aspect of the challenge. The other aspect is the U.S. government recently went over the fiscal cliff. And what that meant was that there was a cutback on the number of people and resources available to process applications. So you have these two competing sort of programs going at the same time. And the result is that people should be very conscious of when they apply under this program, if it's passed. And the time to apply is at the beginning, because if you're at the beginning, you're not going to get lost in this sea of paperwork. So the point of this whole narrative is that if you are an illegal immigrant or a person without papers in the United States, it is time now to get all your paperwork together, to get ready, so that it will be possible for you to apply as soon as the program is announced to get your paperwork in.
So basically you have a whole ton of applications and less people to process them.
Right.
Okay, so to get their paperwork ready and stuff, it sounds that sounds simple, but if they don't even know what paperwork you're talking about, what should they do?
Well, they can email me, andy@myworkvisa.com, to inquire about that. Take a look at my website, myworkvisa.com, and there under U.S. Immigration Reform, there's a write-up which will give all the details. And the essence of it is that we will help anybody who needs help to get their paperwork in order and also to get the background of their immigration history in order so that they'll be ready once the bill is passed.
Nice. Okay. Thanks a lot, Andy, for coming by. We'll talk to you again about some more immigration issues coming up.
Okay.
Find him at paceimmigration.com and also email him at andy@myworkvisa.com. Bye-bye.